Hello children, welcome you all in today's class. In today's class, we will be seeing the homework answers of the previous class and we will be seeing the remaining problems from exercise 7.1. Okay, so in this question, it was given, find the number that should be multiplied with the given number to get a perfect cube. Okay, so for that first we have to do the prime factorization. Okay, prime factorize 256, start with the 2 table. Okay, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 1 remaining. That is 2 8s are 16. Next 2 6 are 12, 2 4s are 8. Then 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4. Then 2 ones are 2, 1 remaining. So 16. Then 2 8s are 16. Then 2 4s are 8. 2 2s are 4. 2 1s are 2. Okay. So you will have 256 is equal to, so how many 2's are here totally? 2 cube into 2 cube into 2 into 2. Okay, so actually you have only 2 groups of 3. Yes or no? Only there are 3 pair of 3 here and here. Here one number is not there. So you have to multiply it with 2. Only then you will get a perfect cube. Okay, so right, therefore 2 is left without group of 3. Okay, so 2 should be multiplied with 256. Is it clear for all of you? Now let us enter into today's class. In today's class, we will see the third problem and the fourth problem from 7.1. So the third problem, we have to find a number that should be divided from the given number so that you get a perfect cube. In the previous one, we saw that we have to multiply some number to get a perfect cube. Here we are going to see some number that should be divided. Okay. So prime factorize 3 27s are 81. Then 3 9s are 27. Then 3 3s are 9 and then 3 1s are 3. So 81 can be written as 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. Only 4 3s are here, right? Okay. So only 1 3 is left without a group of 3. So you will write, we should divide three from 81. So if you divide 81 divided by 3, what will you get? 3 2s are 6. So 2 remaining, 21, that is 27. So 27 is the perfect cube. Okay. Understood all of you? Next we have 128. Okay. Do prime factorization for 128. Start with 2 tables, 64, 32, 16, 2 8s are, 2 4s are, 2 2s are and then 2 1s are. Okay. Then we have 128 is equal to, how many 2's? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. So 2 cube into 2 cube. So that will give you 6 cubes. Then 1 more 2. So 2 is left without group of 3. Okay. So you will write, we divide 128 by 2. So if you divide 128 by 2, what will you get? 2 6 are 12 and 2 4s are 8. So 64 is a perfect cube. Yes or no? 4 cube is equal to 64. Understood for all of you? Next question is 135. To do prime factorization for this, start with 5 table. 5 2s are 10, 35. So that is 27. Then 3 9s are, 3 3s are, 3 1s are. So 135 can be written as 5 into 3 cube. So 5 is left without group of 3. So we divide 135 by 5. Okay. So 135 divided by 5, what will you get? 27. That is a perfect cube. Is it clear for all of you? This is the final question of today's class. So in this question, we have a cuboid with sides 5 cm, 2 cm and 5 cm. Okay. So we have to make this into a cube. Okay. So how many more boxes like this we need? That is the thing we have to find. So first we have to find how much space this box occupies. Okay. Then we can find how to make it into a cube. Okay. So find space occupied. Sorry. Or you can do this as volume is equal to 5 into 5 into 2. Okay. That is how much? 50. 5 is 25 and 25 2 is 50. So for 50 we have 2 5s and only 1 2. Okay. So if we want to make this as a cube number, then what we have to do? We have to multiply this with 1 more 5 and 2 more 2's. Okay. So write multiply 50 with 5 into 2 into 2, because 1 5 and 2 2's are needed to make this as a cube. That is how much? 5 2's are 10 and 10 2's are 20. So is it clear? So we need 20 such boxes to make it as a cube. So if you have 20 boxes like this, then the volume will be a cube number. Okay. So then you can fill this space with a cube shape. Okay. So from this cuboid you are making a cube. Just you have to multiply and see whether everything is in the group of 3. If it is not in group of 3, then you have to find how to make it into group of 3, and then that many number of boxes will be needed to make it as cube. Okay. So you will write 20 more cuboids are required. Okay. Is it clear? So if you have 20 more cuboids in this way, then you can make a cube. That's all for today's class. Try to understand everything that is taught. Thank you and have a nice day.